Hello dear friends, today I will tell you again how I make money on binary options. Now we will show the strategy that I use when trading on binary options. Also, do not forget to put a like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss new strategies. And in my Telegram channel, every day I post trading signals absolutely free. Let's start trading with our strategy. Today I will use three indicators: moving average, RSI and best power. I choose them in our list and start customizing them. For best power I will use period 8 and change its view to a histogram. In RSI I will also set the period of 8. In moving average I will also change the period to 8 and change the SMA to EMA. Let's find a trading pair that suits us, and I will show you how to use this strategy by example. On this chart we can see that the best power indicator has crossed its horizon line and is pointing upwards. Also, the RSI indicator has crossed its midline and is heading upwards. And the chart itself is above the moving average indicator. If all three indicators correspond to such values, it means that there is a great potential for growth in this currency pair. That's why I opened a trade here for $100. We take our first profit and move on to look for profitable offers. We move to the next trading pair and see that in this situation again all indicators are directed upwards and the chart itself is above the moving average line. This is a very good sign. I think that I can make money on this chart. I decide to open a trade here for growth and expect my profit of $360 in 1 minute. We get almost $400 and we already have $1,000 on our balance. Let's move on. Again, I notice a very good situation to open a trade. The chart shows very well that it has a great potential for a decline, as our indicators are pointing downwards and the chart itself is below the moving average line. So I decide to increase the trade amount to $600 and open a trade here. If the trade is successful, it will be a very good sign for us and we will soon be able to afford to open trades of $1,000. Great, we continue to make money with this strategy and so far I really like it. Let's look at the next example. I go to another chart and I see that the indicators are pointing to growth. The RSI indicator line has almost reached the upper boundary, but I decide to wait for a good entry point. It turned out to be a good entry point as here I expect to see a very good chart growth and get almost $600 of profit in 1 minute. This was a very good one. For a second I was scared that the chart went down a lot, but then I got my expected rise and I'm very happy about it. Let's find the next pair and do it again. And here's a suitable chart that just went from rising to falling and will potentially continue to go down because the RSI has crossed its middle line and is heading down. I raised the trade amount to $1,000, decided not to wait, and opened a down trade even through one of the charts was looking up. Very doubtful about this trade, but it's too late to change anything, just waiting and hoping. I see that I was in a hurry and it is urgent to open the second deal on the opposite direction, and again the deal with the price of $1,000 to close the unsuccessful deal and lose only $80 instead of $1,000. Well, our chart did go up and we did not get our expected profit of $920. Of course, I was a little upset, but I don't pay attention to such situations because you can start trading emotionally and then you won't make money and most likely you will lose all your money. Let's trade further. I noticed that the indicators have been pointing to a decline for some time now. The best power indicator candlesticks are increasing and their sell line is going to the lower boundary. And yes, I'm opening a trade here as I'm confident in it. It's $1,000 again. That's very good, we have done it again. We are taking our money and have already got $3,000 in the balance. I don't want to end trade here, so I'm looking for a new currency pair for another profitable trade. And here's our pair where the bear market just ended and the bull market is opening. Everything points to the fact that active growth is about to begin. The best power candlesticks have moved to the upper side of the indicator and are starting to rise, and their size trending upwards. I think this will be the last trade for today, so I'm tumbling my bed and opening two $1,000 trades at once. I hope it works out for me. Perfectly well, yes, I did it. I just made $2,000 in 1 minute. Well, that's it. We can call it a day and go on vacation. In fact, it seems like there is nothing complicated about this job. Moreover, I spent a huge amount of nerves, but thanks to such earnings can go on vacation in a few years and you will have a lot of money. Just now I tried to explain for you the way to use the strategy, but if you don't understand something, then be sure to write me in direct. I will help each of my subscribers. Link to my Telegram in the comments. And if you want to receive more signals for trading, then write I want a team in direct. Thanks and bye bye.